Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to start a Toyota Highlander with the key. Insert the metal key fully into the ignition slot, turn it to the on position, then pause a second before turning to start to crank the engine. Keep your foot on the brake and confirm the transmission is in park. If it fails to crank, try a firmer, steady turn and avoid rapid, repeated attempts to protect the starter motor. Starting with the key can be affected by simple issues, so check them in order. Test dash lights to gauge battery health and try a jump start if lights are weak. Inspect the metal key for wear or bends and wiggle gently while attempting to start if contact seems poor. Listen for clicks or slow cranks, which often point to the starter motor or low battery rather than the ignition switch itself. Use preventative habits to keep key starting reliable and stress-free. Carry a spare metal key hidden safely to avoid being stranded, and keep the battery terminals clean and tight to maintain consistent voltage. If turning the key feels rough or requires extra force, schedule ignition cylinder service before it fails. Regular checkups and gentle key use will protect the starter and ignition components and
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.